Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to record calls on iPhone 13. First of all, open up the App Store. Here search Cube ACR. Then tap to open its app and click to install the app. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. After opening the app, click to continue. Don't allow the app to track, then press continue and skip the premium feature page. Once you get into the app, click on the settings icon from the bottom right corner. Click on sign in, choose your country code, then enter your number. And tap on verify from the top right corner. You will receive the verification code on your number. Enter the code in here, then tap on Next. Now select your service number and click to apply. Then tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner. After that, you can record a number, contact, and voice. Click to record a number. Now dial a number tab to call on this number. As soon as you start the call, you can see the recording is started automatically. Or if you call on the actual number and tap on the merge call option, then all of your calls are getting recorded on the app. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.